Before I get into this video, I want to tell you guys that I just released my first official line of merch that is actually made by me. So far, I only have stickers, phone cases, crop tops, and posters that come in all different sizes and all different crops. So make sure to check it out, and then, you know, maybe we can match or something. Actual tears are coming down. What if it gets in my eyeball? It's been open. Oh my gosh! Oh god, I hope this works. Hey guys, today we are doing another fun wig video. Last time we transformed a wig, I did half red, half black. If you guys follow my Instagram, then you already know this, but I've been doing a giveaway every single month, giving away one of my wigs. This month, I already knew what wig I was giving away, but I didn't, like, it didn't feel right giving it away because I think it's an ugly wig. I know it's not. I know it's not. I know a lot of people buy this wig. I just don't personally like it. And so I thought, why not fix this wig up, make it something I would wear, and then hopefully that style matches one of you guys. And then you guys can enter the giveaway today on my Instagram. Without further ado, here is the wig that we are fixing up today. My plan today is, why don't we cut the bottom, you know, to all be the same length, and then I want to dye it a mix of silver and lilac. I think that would be really pretty. Now I am a little worried though, because I was like positive this whole month sitting on this wig that this was not human hair, but in fact it's Remy hair, so it is human hair, just like a little different. But I have my doubts. You guys, I've been fooled before. That's the thing. Like, a company has tricked me before, and I thought it was human hair, but it wasn't. So I doubt every time. Let's just try it. Really hope this works. If it doesn't, then I will be giving away a different wig this month. But I have high hopes. I do. I think this will look really good. I mean, really, there's one way to find out. You know, I may not be a wig or hair professional. I did not go to school for this, but in the end, I am creative, and that's what matters. First things first. Yo, I just want all of this gone right here. This is just so annoying to me. I don't understand this style. I'm sure there's a lot of people that can rock this style, but like me, no. Hannah's hair salon. Hannah's hair salon. Doo-doo. If you guys are wondering why I have bangs, then you missed a video. So make sure you go watch the video of me cutting my bangs, because it was a very good time. There's gonna be so many points in this video that this wig will probably not look very good, but I assure you, the end, no matter what happens in this video, I'm gonna make sure this wig looks flawless in the end. So, that's all I'm saying. Gotta get my squats in today too. Just kidding, I don't do squats. Oh yeah, oh we did that. Killing it. We have Splat Sinful Silver and Splat Lusty Lavender. My loose plan is to just like mix these two, not like mix them, but like mix them, like do them in different places. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, don't want to do like black, purple, gray. Like, I don't want to do that. I just want to do black and then like waves of purple and silver. I couldn't necessarily find how to do that online. Probably because I didn't know how to Google that. But I think if we just like mix, you know, the strands, it should look fine. It'll look fine. Do we need the bleach? I don't know. I mean, it is kind of yellow. I'm afraid it won't turn out well if we don't bleach it first. Fine, I guess we'll bleach it. I mean, why not? What do we have going on here? Carefully remove nozzle from Splat Oxide bottle. Oh my gosh, what if it gets in my eyeball? Oh my gosh. I'm scared. That's scary. Thank God that wasn't close to my eye. Wait, was I supposed to do that? I wasn't supposed to do that yet. It's fine. Oh, maybe I should have put a towel down. Oopsies. I did not shave my armpits, so if you guys see any shadows in there, then that's because you're seeing it. I really think I'll only need one. Okay, I might need two. There we go. Why is this worse than cutting onions? Has it always been this bad? I'm crying. I just think this wig will turn out so good. I just get so emotional. I'd open a window, but my neighbors don't know I'm a YouTuber. Actual tears are coming down right now while I'm bleaching. My eyes! I can't do it anymore. But we have to. We have to do it for the wig. We have to do it for the giveaway. Am I gonna be able to breathe tomorrow? I feel like not. Okay, we're almost done. I got some bleach on my leg and my leg is burning. She's pretty good right now. Now that half my makeup is gone, we're gonna wait 20 minutes and wash this out while I try to breathe some fresh air. Well, I would hate to tell you. Oh, why is this top off? What? Oh my gosh, has this been open? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go blind. Can't say that hasn't ever happened to me before. I left the bleach on the wig, and after, you know, a half hour of letting the bleach marinate on there, I noticed that it was like dripping, but it wasn't dripping bleach. But after washing out the bleach, it doesn't look any different to me. Does this look different to you? Does this look any different? Yeah. So I almost don't want to put dye on it because I feel like it won't do anything. But seeing as one is already opened, I don't know how that happened. I think, why not? Let's just put the silver and the purple dye on there and we'll see if anything happens. Hopefully something does happen. If not, it's fine. I mean, we're gonna style it anyways. I think it'll do a little bit. So here's my dyeing mannequin. We should just wing it, and I'll do like a little bit here, a little bit there, right? I think they'll blend well together if it works. Yeah, okay. Ooh, oh, this is gonna be cool. Okay, I do think it's gonna work. I did have my doubts. I kind of lied a little bit. I really didn't think it was going to work, but I think this will work. You know what? I really don't know what material this is. It at least will come out tinted a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so cool. Oh my gosh. I can't do anything without making a mess. Oh my gosh, it's all over me. I should have wore sleeves or an apron or pants. I was really winging it. Oh my god! I just can't do anything! I don't even know what day of the week it is. I don't know who I am. You guys find out me like dyeing wigs is actually like a huge cry for help. That'd be so funny. Oh, actually, I think we should do silver like up here. Shout out to the person that's winning this wig next week. I hope you like it. And I hope if you don't like it, then you do something else cool with it. You know? The gift keeps on giving. Is that how that goes? Ah! I feel like I'm working on a masterpiece. Like, I feel like I'm like the next big artist. I think my wigs are gonna be in museums. Museum, not museum. I have higher hopes in the purple than I do the silver right now. I think it looks pretty good. I think this is gonna turn out, I think this is gonna be fine. Yeah, this is gonna be so good. He got on my foot. Okay, maybe I should just stop. I should just chill. I need to wash all this dye off my body. I'll give this 30 minutes and then we're gonna wash it out. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like wet. And then we'll style it and put it on. And I'll show you guys how good it looks in the ends. But there might need to be some touch-ups and stuff. So I'm gonna leave this here. Now I have to make sure my legs aren't purple. Well, I went to wash the dye out and I noticed that the dye basically just formed clumps of like little purple So the tint that you see is not a real tint. It's just a bunch of little purple dots. We've officially come to the conclusion that this is all synthetic hair. Yeah, I can still do well with this, okay? I mean, clearly I just did a lot of work for no reason, but it's fine. It's cool. I have to get all these purple dots out of this now. So I'm gonna brush this out and keep running water through it until we have the original ombre blonde wig. Here. But then I'm gonna blow dry it and curl it a little bit, and we'll give it a nice little style, and at least we can still end this video good. You know, see you guys in an hour. Oh god, I hope this works. After too long working on this wig, here is the final product. Well, as you can see, something happened. The purple didn't stay, and neither did the silver, but something mixed with something, and now it's an ombre to pink? Weird. I pictured this video going so many different ways, but this one wasn't in there. This one was not predicted by me. I still really like it. I really like that I fixed the sides, not to act like I did something right, but like it kind of feels better than it did before. Weird. Compared to the start, this 10 out of 10. If you guys didn't know the whole process, you'd be like, wow, Hannah, that's a good wig. Am I wrong? Wow, well, I am really excited that this turned out good. I really was low-key doubting it the whole time, but here we are. I knew I could do it. There's just, all you need is a touch of creativity and you can make anything good in the end. Put that in a book or something, man. So if you guys want to win this wig or a wig next month or the month after that, make sure to go over and check out my Instagram page where I am posting what wigs I'm giving away every month. So this whole week you can enter to win this wig, and then the last day of the month I will be giving it away to one of you guys. And if anyone is out there sitting around with some wigs that you don't like anymore, I highly suggest mixing it up. You know, cut bangs on it, give it a haircut, dye it, bleach it. If you're not wearing it, you might as well do something with it, you know? I hope you guys liked this video today, and I hope you liked the outcome, even if it's not what anyone thought it was gonna be. Maybe next time I'll make sure it's a human hair wig first. This was kind of fun though. It was like the mystery Laffy Taffy or something, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like me transforming wigs like I did today, make sure to click the thumbs up button and I will film another one. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Hannah's wig salon. Hannah's wig salon. I actually don't sing the intro. I don't know who sings the intro.